Children of God, St. Paul is one of the most fascinating figures in history, and a few fun facts already show why. First, his original name was Saul, and he was named after Israel's first king. Second, he was a Roman citizen, which later helped him travel, preach, and even appeal to Caesar. Third, Paul was highly educated, trained under the famous Rabbi Gamaliel, making him both intellectually sharp and deeply rooted in Jewish tradition. Fourth, before becoming a missionary, he was a fierce persecutor of Christians. Another fun fact about St. Paul is that he never met Jesus during Jesus' earthly ministry, yet he became one of Christianity's greatest witnesses. He wrote letters to early Christian communities, many of which later became part of the New Testament. Paul was also a tent maker by trade, meaning he supported himself while preaching. Finally, he traveled thousands of kilometers by land and sea, turning the ancient world into a network of faith communities.